How to check Gmail account login devices. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up if we want to look out for all the devices that we are logged in currently. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up a browser and we can go over to our Google account page. So search for myaccount.google and type in .com and hit enter, and when you do, you will be taken to your Google account page. Now from here in the left hand side menu, we can look at for security and sign in option, and there select the option of your devices. So go ahead and find that option, which should be this one right here. And here we'll be finding all of the list of devices. We can click on this option called manage all devices to view it more. So here are all the list of devices I am currently logged into and also what location it is. It's not app submit, but you can look out for it, and the last activity time as well. And this is how you view your Gmail account login devices. Or you can just go over and open up Gmail on your PC as well. And once you are in Gmail, you can just go over and scroll to the bottom right corner of your page. And when you do, you will be finding, details like last account activity and many more. And you can look out for the details option here in order to view the history, like where it is located and where not. You can just go and view it. And that's it. If you see unknown devices, you can turn on two-step verification or remove that account immediately or change your password. But that is how we do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.